Millions of people are taking blood pressure medicine every day and not realizing the solution may be found in the refrigerator, invoking the same biochemical pathways. Hello, my name is Dr. Bryan, nitric oxide biochemist and physiologist. Blood pressure medication doesn't always work. In fact, we know that 50% of the people that are prescribed blood pressure medicine don't respond with better blood pressure. But what if the answer came from strictly changes in diet and lifestyle? So eliminating certain foods, including other foods that are known to enhance nitric oxide production. The first thing, eliminate sugar and simple carbohydrates that lead to inflammation, oxidative stress, and immune dysfunction. The other important thing are antioxidant-rich foods, green leafy vegetables that contain inorganic nitrate. And if we start consuming these and we optimize our oral microbiome, where the good bacteria can metabolize the nitrate found in the green leafy vegetables, and then our body can make sufficient stomach acid production, then we can optimize nitric oxide production and naturally lead to better management of normal blood pressure. But this requires some very important considerations. Number one, we must eat good nutrient-dense foods. It's very difficult to find good nutrient-dense foods in the US today. The other thing is we must optimize our oral microbiome. You can eat all the right foods, all the vegetables you want, but if you're using fluoride toothpaste, if you're using antiseptic mouthwash, you've eliminated the nitric oxide benefits of a high vegetable diet. And then the other component is sufficient stomach acid production. We need stomach acid in order to make nitric oxide, both through the enzyme in the lining of the blood vessels and through swallowing our own saliva. So apple cider vinegar before each meal, green leafy vegetables, elimination of sugar, and an 18-hour intermittent fast every day. And what we're finding is if you start to invoke and start to practice these strategies that we've spent the past 25 or 30 years on understanding and practicing that in your daily life, enhance nitric oxide production, there's no need for blood pressure medicine because we're going to give the body what it needs, eliminate from the body what it doesn't need. The body heals itself. We produce adequate nitric oxide. We dilate the blood vessels. We fix, we repair, and lead to healthy blood vessels that are soft, compliant, plaque doesn't stick, blood pressure is normal, we get normal vascular reactivity, we get adequate blood supply, oxygen delivering nutrients to every organ, tissue, and cell in the body. So let's start to question the need for drug therapy. Let's be more judicious in taking the advice of physicians. But ask your doc, what can I do to not need prescription medication? That should be the question everyone is answering, because the solution may be as simple as what's in your refrigerator. And the other consideration, there are no drugs that are not without side effects. Every drug has a side effect. And so what we have to do is what's the risk versus the benefit? And so if most blood pressure medications are not providing any benefit in managing your blood pressure, then what's the risk? You know, a lot of these, it could lead to a stiffening of arteries. It could lead to a resistance to this type of drug therapy and more dependent upon other drugs to mitigate the side effects from this drug. And that's when you get on the hamster wheel and it's hard to get off because one drug causes a side effect that you need another drug to mitigate. That drug causes a side effect and you look up, you're 40 or 50 years old and you're taking a dozen or more medications every day. And that's not the way the human body is designed to ever work. So get back to the basics and naturally produce nitric oxide, invoke these strategies, practice these strategies every day, and eliminate the need for prescription medication.